Hi everyone. حالتون چطوره؟ It means how are you in Farsi language. I'm Rozina and welcome to this channel. If you are new here, you're watching Let's Cook with Rozina. Join me in this episode and let me show you how to make delicious Mimosa Salad, a layered salad with tuna and lots of delicious herbs and vegetables. Mimosa salad is a tasty and popular Russian salad with variety of recipes. For instance, typically this salad is made with canned fish, but in some recipes you can use of cooked chicken instead. Or another ingredient is mayonnaise, but in some recipes you can find mixture of mayonnaise and cheese. Or you can use cooked rice instead of potatoes. Mimosa salad is a real deal. It's delicious and tasty salad that garnished with fresh dill leaves, and you will experience a piece of heaven in your plate. Okay, let's get started and let me show you how to make mimosa salad. If you like this video, please don't forget give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. If you want to grow your Persian cooking style with video, don't forget click subscribe and bell icon, and let's do this together. Thank you very much for joining us today. Please share this video with your friends. It's not difficult for you. By the way, please pick up your free ebook that I have left just for you with 5 delicious and easy rice recipes to help you with cooking. I leave a link in description box and you can get it. You guys have a beautiful time and see you in next one.